was ready to blow me down.
Still smiling. It's been 22 years. Tell them who you are.
Ratchet Reese on Instagram. Can you put something right there?
Yeah.
You do that?
Yeah,
Ratchet
I'll
Reese?
put it.
You put it like right here.
I'll put it right here.
Right there. Follow the kid. Hit me up for pictures.
Chris, what are the thoughts on this Mazda?
Which one?
This one. What?
Better than mine.
What?
It's better than mine.
Nah, wait. Alright,
Which one?
the one on the left.
Which one's left?
What's up, Santa?
Hey.
Alright, back to you guys. What are the thoughts on the
red one?
Nah, this one. The pink.
I might paint it my color and that color too.
Alright, what you think about this? Faggot. Look who we got in the building.
What's up, man? I'm Ace Audi. Give me a follow. I need to get this follow up.
I'll put his IG right here. Follow my boy. Show him some love. Oh fuck. The fuck yeah. It's just nice.
It's part of the game, man.
Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go till the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could take the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe. My soul needs to sound.
Be accurate, what's up?
You wanna hear my rod knock?
Yeah, let's go. Alright y'all, we about to hear his rod knock.
Crack block and rod knocking, I still daily it.
That's how you know you a goddamn fucking savage. When you daily a fucking car with a rod knock. Where's the rod knock?
It's there, bro. It's there.
It's gonna get hella loud. But do you V-check accordingly?
I don't. I don't have an accord no more.
Alright y'all, there is no rod knock.
Hey, dude, for real, dude. Off the rod knock, man.
Just to show off the rod knock.
Watch the vlog. Don't watch this dude's vlog.
Why you hating
Hey,
though?
Rooster Low Life, come out. You know what I'm saying? Get it.
You see this? That's my dick.
Where you going?
I'll be right back. I'm gonna go home real quick.
You gonna bring back a side of rice?
Follow the boy. That's his IG. We about to hear the RX8. His shit is loud. I'm deaf. Ron, if you're watching this, your car's gay as fuck. Gay. Tucking. Still gay though. Into the trap house. Look who we got.
What's up?
Who are you?
Ron, you down? I drive an STI.
Bro, look at all these toys that people donated from the Red RX8. All these toys are going to go to kids who can't actually have toys for Christmas. So it's pretty awesome. Everybody, I really want to thank everyone who came out and brought toys for all these kids.
Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. And follow Low Life. It's their IG. Their IG's right here. Tell them Monty sent you. Gang gang. Ooh, this shit's saucy.
Oh, of course you gotta come on.
Oh, you got those? Alright, he got these wheels. Them wheels though. These are nice. Woo! Over here, all by themselves.
Nobody wanted to come.
Because nobody wants to park with us. And loners.
Oh, damn it.
Alright, we're loners out here. That's G35 Maya. Saucy boy Chris, aka the Ricer. And that's
Can't say shit
the.
because yours is racing too.
And my shit's riced out.
Yours is more riced out than mine.
Man, you got me fucked up.
Hey, you said some rocket money. Mine has nothing. But it just has customized fucking rolled out fenders.
Back at it again. Having a photo shoot with the boy Reese. And we got a model. We got a model in the building. Martine back with the squad. Goat. You wanna go say what's up to Martine?
It's too far.
It's too far. He playing too much again.